What I will do in today's video is explain different ways to make money online in the laziest way possible, so that I can clear up any questions that any of you may have. So watch the video until the end. The 4 different methods are potentially one of the best opportunities out there right now for any newbie looking to make money online in the easiest way possible. So make sure you watch this entire video from start to finish so you don't miss anything potentially change your entire life. So let's jump right into one of the first ways to make money online, which is by promoting other people's products. So when it comes to making money online with these particular methods, basically what you're going to become is an affiliate marketer, and I'd say it's probably one of the easiest ways to make money because you don't need to buy any kind of inventory in bulk. You don't need to hire any kind of inventory. You don't need a team to design or invent any kind of products. You don't have them. All you want to do is advertise an exciting product that someone else owns, and if you can successfully do that, you can advertise, and if you can successfully do that, an affiliate commission you get. I believe this is one of the best side jobs for a beginner, because if you can do it, that best way to do it, to turn it on autopilot, where you don't even have to physically do anything, but you can still get paid directly through your bank account. Now, one of the first things to do when it comes to doing this business model in the best way possible, understand, it is to know that there are 2 different types of products that you can promote. One of the pays you want, and a recurring type of commission, that is if you can successfully sell a product to a customer who wants that product but advertise, the company is going to pay you an ongoing fee every month as long as the customers continue to use that particular product. So all you really do is do the work one, and you can earn monthly passive income. So I would say, if we want to make money on autopilot, these are the companies and products you want to look at. But my advice to you is to find products that people are actively looking for. This is how I was able to create my case marketing business. Anyway, if I can find a product that pays frequent commission and people are actively searching for it on the internet, my businesses will increase significantly. It's easier, and there are different websites that you can go to find all these recurring commission deals. For example, you can do to sites like impact.com or go to partnerstack.com website. There are many companies on these websites that you've probably heard of them, but you can go through them all the exact amount you're going to potentially earn various. There are different payment structures to choose from, but you still have to remember that the biggest secret to your long-term success with this particular online business model is to make sure people are actively looking for each product where you want to go to promote, and these a simple way you can find it, because let's say if I were interested in promoting a creating type of product. I can type that product name into Google Trends and I can see here if they search for the desired product or not. So if I put my energy and effort into promoting these types of products, I'm just wasting my time. Choose a lot during the months so that you can success. The second lazy way to make money online is to build a niche website. For those of you who don't actually do it, is a referral website. A reference website is simply a site that you want to build with the sole purpose of posting informative articles on a specific topic, and you don't really have to do anything else but provide valuable information about a specific niche. Of course, you can promote your product or service you want in that article, so building this type of website is definitely a good way to promote these duplicate affiliate commission products, because you can get people searching for information about these products or to target. And as long as you make sure you've branded your website, make sure you build it and designed it to be the best it can be, and also make sure you focus on Google SEO, then there's a good chance you'll be able to get a rank on the first page of Google, which obviously puts you in a great position. Because not only can you make money when talking about the first lazy method that I talk about a little bit, but you can also make money from advertising, whether you want to use something like Google AdSense or any other advertising platform that you will also be in a position to use. Sell your products or services. You could potentially sell that website in the future, and I know you probably would. Right now, I don't think I want to sit there every day and write information articles on a particular topic that's not really lazy. It takes a lot of time, and you definitely have already done with the website I create. This is the one where I outsource the writing process. The next lazy business is the faceless video content businesses. With the short side are things where you're going to post videos on platforms like TikTok and Instagram and Pinterest and YouTube Shorts. Of course, when it comes to long content, the best place to post a video is YouTube, and with this type of video, you don't have to show your face, and the beauty of it is you can outsource it to different aspects like an official website. I preference the video content businesses and platform I currently create. For example, you can go to Instagram and achieve success, or you can go to TikTok. With these two platforms, you can make faceless content. When it comes to the businesses of faceless video content, I am working on it. I have found that it makes type process much more efficient. For example, there is a program that I use that is very helpful because I can add users to my app. I can also connect all my Instagram, Pinterest platforms to my next account, so I don't have to give them all direct access to my editors, and they can log into my next account and sell all the videos uploaded and schedule them on all the different platforms at the same time. And you're probably thinking right now, how do I upload different video to YouTube? Of course, when it comes to the faceless video aspects of YouTube, you can, once you can monetize AdSense, I believe you should have about 3,000 watch hours and 500 subscribers. But in the short form of things, you can earn money directly from the company itself, but you can earn recurring affiliate commissions for selling your digital products and selling your service anyway. If you can create an audiences that is interested in a particular topic and you are offering one of the last lazy ways to make money I'll talk about is probably one of the laziest ways to get out of all the different ways. It can be a little scary just investing now in inviting, and that's what frustrates a lot of beginners. But I think it's really easy when you've trained yourself on the right things to invest in, and over the years I've managed to build up different portfolios where I don't have to do anything. The money automatically comes out of my bank account and gets invested in the right things. I'm sure you need to set up an account and make sure all the automation you have launched